Everyone, welcome to a new Exiled Honor video. Kicks changed it up a bit, which is great. Basically, they just deleted half of the units, which is very much needed and was necessary and might be possible to free repair. I don't know, we'll see. This is my tune, so I kept pretty much the same as last time. So I've got my Darkstorm, I got my Destroyer. Sarkis, although Sarkis, I can leave him out. I'm pretty sure I can leave him out. And add some more Absolvers. Then the Prophet, because I really like that. I really like the idea of the Prophet. And then the Controller, just to fill up the tune. Alright, so also to fill up... Oh, no, sorry. Just to have less of the damage, we also added the care package up, which means that we are gonna get a bunch of caretakers, which is obviously very useful. I kind of think it's possible to do without them, but then again, 50k medals is not too much, I feel like. So we're gonna this one needs to go. I named my people already, my group. So I've got on one my Destroyer, he needs to kill these whatever bludgeons or whatever you call it. On number 2 I've got the Sarkis and my Absolvers, just as mainly for the infantry. On number 3 of course I've got my Darkstorm. And this, I don't know, what is it? 4, 5, 6? 6, apparently 6. I'm gonna make it 4. So on number 4 I've got my Prophet. And that's gonna be the tune. Also, we're gonna add Chopper once in a while. So as you can see, very, well, not very easy, but reasonably easy enough. See, I just got too close, but even like that should not have happened. My caretakers were very low damage. I think I can do it without caretaker op, but just to be sure, it's just 50k. Reasonably fast, under 10 minutes. That's always very nice. And that's it. It's grindable. It's free repair. It's grindable, pretty fast. I like it. Good job to Kicks. Now finally we can do this event and we can have some fun with it. Hope this was useful. Please like, please subscribe, and I see you guys next time.